piece here, you're looking at a, let's just talk on composition a little bit. Okay, this is a full shot.
Right.
And in composition, we're looking at, the entire picture. And this is going to tell us, help us tell our story of what we're doing here. And you're looking at, if you took any photography classes, they're talking about lines, they're talking about where's the story, where's the focus of the picture, et cetera. That's all composition. We're just going to touch on that. You see over here, you see the lines of the buildings, you see the lines of the trees, everything's kind of focusing and pointing toward, in a way they're pointing toward the two people that are up in the frame,
Right.
that are walking away, while this person is in the full shot, which is me, is talking on the phone. And you'll see how the composition is going to change when we change our shots.
Right. So this is our full shot, and by full shot meaning the entire character is in frame.
Mm-hmm.
So like a full shot of a car would be the entire car
Mm-hmm.
in the frame. Now, why would you use a full shot as opposed to, because that's another thing, is all these, there's a purpose for using each different one,
Right.
as opposed to just, why not just use full shots all the time, or
Right.
half the time?
And this is not even an establishing shot. It can be used as an establishing shot.
Right.
A lot of the times an establishing shot is even wider to show, more of where we are and telling the story of why are we here on the street. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
But this is enough to show, in the full shot, it can be an establishing shot because it shows a lot of things.
Right.
We see we're out in front of a cafe, on a street. There's people walking around, cars parked. You can get an idea of where we are just by looking at this shot. So it can be used as an establishing shot. Why are we using a full shot? Where do we use a full shot?
Yeah.
Probably as an establishing shot.
Right. And also if there's something significant on your whole person.
Right.
If you have
Like if I'm wearing
a knife
sandals.
strap on your calf or
Yeah,
something. We need
or
to
if
show.
there's a tattoo that I'm wearing on my calf that needs to
Sure.
be shown,
Right.
because that's going to identify the person later on in the
Sure.
shot.
Gotcha. Yeah. So something
Yeah.
to look into as to why you would use this shot as opposed to starting with a wide establishing and then jumping right in.
Right.